Hey everybody, it's Neil, and who wants to be the festive guy on the block? Me, I do. So let's check this out here. I'm going to show you guys what this is. So it's a pack of a whole bunch of flags for all the different holidays and whatnot. Let me get rid of the scrunchy plastic, but I'll show you guys what each of these ones are. We'll go through them all, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't have a flag stand, but you know how the flag stands are, right? It's like the metal that comes up and then goes over, and you can, you can put it through. So like this one, so it's got the loop in the top here, right? So you just slide it over the pole and then it hangs. So this one here is our Happy Halloween. It looks like these have the same picture on the front and the back. So there we go, Halloween. I'll put them down here as I go. We have Thanksgiving. Very nice. Happy Thanksgiving. We just had Thanksgiving here. We have Happy Valentine's Day with it slightly off center, but cool. Hello, Fall. These aren't in order of their holidays, but St. Patrick's Day. Nice. Merry Christmas. That's about what season it is now. Here's just a generic one to use anytime. Home Sweet Home for our nice country home. Oh, Happy Mother's Day. How sweet is that? Hello, summer. Can't wait for summer. It'll be nice when that's here. Oh, and we got Father's Day. Best dad. That would be me. Let's see. Veterans Day. Lest we forget. Oh, happy birthday. That will come in handy a few times throughout the year. Hello, winter. These chipmunks look a little cute. Football time. The wife will love that. Memorial Day. Remember and honor. 4th of July. Independence Day. Happy New Year. Woohoo! Happy Labor Day. All the working stuff. Hello, spring. Oh, nice flowery stuff. And finally, Happy Easter. So how cool are these? So we are going to be the festive house here shortly. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.